Good morning, welcome back to my channel. This is Fixing the GOAT Part 9, and I'm going to try to do as much as I can today. Hopefully we're coming to the end of this project, which is a good thing. So alright, so today I have a lot of things to do. I'm going to put the seats back in. They're on the back of the truck. I'm pretty sure you can't see it, but I got the seats. I'm going to put the seats back in, and I'm going to get the rest of the inside together, and I got to tighten up some brake fittings, put the alternator on that I broke last time I was working on it, get that together, and hopefully that fixed the belt issue, and hopefully take it off the jack stands and move it around a little bit today. Alright, here goes. Just a little shot of what I'm doing, putting the new alternator on and fabricating the bracket just to get the thing to get on there. But almost done, just tightening the alternator back up now. Alright, what I have here is a leaky brake line right here. I'm trying to get it off, but as you can see, the brake line's kind of stripped, so I need another set of vice grips in order to get it off. But I'm going to change out the whole brake line. See, I got that one loose right here, so I just got to take that one out. Alright, I'm over here on the OG GOAT, taking the passenger side seat out. The other seat from the yellow GTO, the brackets was bent on it, so I'm just going to pull the passenger seat out of the OG GOAT. And that's what I'm doing now. I had to give it some power so I can slide the seat back. So, got the jump box hooked up to it. And now I'm about to go put in the yellow GOAT. Okay, as you can see, the inside and everything is done. I don't know if my lights are working or not. Yeah, put on the door. Alright, all the inside is together, as you can see. Everything is ready to go. I was going to take it for a drive. I'll show you where all the lights work on it. Take the key out. As you see, headlights work. Just need to be cleaned up a little bit. And unlike the black GOAT, my actual fog lights work on this. So you got the fog lights on. So everything works in it. Just got to take it for a little test drive. And like I said, can't really take for a test drive now because, look, my brother's Mercedes, the CL 500 or 550, whatever one, is sitting here on jack stands. So I can't get out. CL 550. So that's why I can't take it. Can't take it on a little drive. It's blocking the entrance. So still got little things I need to accomplish. Like for instance, I need to bleed the brakes and bleed the power steering. And other than that, that's about it. I want to take the black mirror off and actually put the yellow mirror on. See, my trunk is full of stuff. So guess I can go ahead and close this now. Everything's in the car, everything works. I just got to put that cover back up down there, and that's it. But everything's in the car. Everything's ready to go. So, back seats. And it's just dirty. Test out the radio. I think if we just put a code in it, let's see if we can just put any code in it. It needs the code. Yeah, if you put any code in it, it'll work temporarily. So held gun rallies across South Carolina. That works. See if the volume stuff works. It don't seem to work. But it may have to have the code in it before all that can work. The buttons on the steering wheel. So. Welcome to AutoZone. What are you working on today? Yeah. Right now you can get 5 quarts of Castrol GTX high mileage motor oil and an SD oil filter for just $28.99. Yep. So I didn't get a chance to show everything like I wanted to. So this is just a little video just showing everything, that the inside and everything is together. And just like I said, the next video will be hopefully either me bleeding the brakes, bleeding the power steering, and taking it for a little short test drive. The car still has its little startup issues where it won't start on the first try for some reason. But I'll start it up and just let you see how everything runs good. Here we go. Now it's still open headers, so it's loud. record an outro for this video. I was a little too frustrated to do it. On the last video clip that you just saw, I was driving the GTO, and there's something wrong with the back end. It was loose and it was kind of like swerving a little bit. So I may have to end up taking the whole rear cradle from under and switch it out with the one up under the black GTO, which is a lot of work. So I didn't really want to do it, but it looks like I may have to do it. So that was a little setback. And also there's something going on with the brakes. The brakes seems like it's stopping, but I have to press it down extra hard for some reason. So maybe all of the wheels are not stopping like they're supposed to when I press it. So I gotta investigate that and see what's going on. But it's just a setback. Just like I said, the brakes is nothing I can fix that. It's just the rear cradle. It's gonna involve a lot of work, and like I said, it's a setback. So GTO project continues, and please click like and subscribe and comment, and we have more projects coming, and hopefully we can get this GTO thing wrapped up. I'm also working on my truck. As you can see right here, that's the tires that came off of my truck. I have to get new tires put on it. It's going in the paint shop, and I'm doing a lot more upgrades for it. So I got a lot of stuff going on. You've seen the G8. What you didn't see is my son put headlights in it. So he put some headlights in it with the LED strip, and they look good. It's hard to get a video. We did it at night, so it's hard to see it at night. Got some rims right there for my daughter's car, and we'll try to get those on there. Once we get some tires, I'm gonna buy some tires for it, and we'll try to get those on there. So I've been super busy, even though I haven't been putting out a lot of videos with the GTO. But the reason for that is, and I'm sorry that this video is so long, but I've been doing a lot of stuff to the GTO as well as other things, and I just been trying to complete it so I can do a final video with everything complete. So that's what I was doing. All right, like I said before, please click like, subscribe, and comment, and look forward to me completing my projects or still working on my projects. Trying to get everything wrapped up before 2021.